Hey guys, what's up? Just a little video over here updating everything going on with the WRX and the truck. So I don't know if I ever told you guys, this is a truck that we bought on auction, and basically Channel is gonna kind of transform over to this truck, or like that's gonna be my daily driver, and the WRX is gonna be more of a car that I drive on weekends or something like that, like when I go out to races or something. I did remove the back seats and I've done a couple things on it, but mainly I'm getting it ready for drag racing. I don't know the power that I'm gonna push. I don't know the goals that I'm gonna, like ET goals. I'm thinking it could be an 11-second car, which it's kind of fast, but not really. But you know, I don't want to push the car too fast, or like dump a whole bunch of money into it and then basically have it like a 7-second car, which is not gonna happen on an FA unless I really want to push it, and I can do it, and I'm pretty sure it's possible. Although people say that the FA20 is not good for high horsepower, I believe it is, and with the right mods I'm pretty sure you can push 1,000 horsepower out of it without a problem. But anyways, this I'm just gonna show you the truck, a little bit about it, mainly the goals that I have with it and what I want to do to it, the things that I have for it. Honestly, it's a 2016 Ram 3500. It's a cabin chassis. It's 4x4. It Cummins diesel with the ASIN transmission. I honestly don't like the 68 RFE. Why? I'm not gonna be racing on this truck, so I don't really need it. Yeah, this one is way slower, but it's more reliable. Like, it's not gonna blow up on me. It's a heavy duty transmission, so I'm not even worried about that. Back here I have another one. But yeah, this is basically a truck. Alright guys, so this is how the truck looks. It's road legal already, and it's a dually, and it has a flatbed on it. It's not the best looking flatbed. The truck still needs a lot of work. I have the trailer hookup. It's still hanging down there. This is bent. It's my plate. Yeah, it's pretty much regular truck that you just see out on the road every day. A work truck, actually. Interior is dirty. I haven't had the chance to clean it ever since I got it. Okay, got it. So basically this is how it looks. I'm getting LED lights up there. Truck has 105,000 miles on it. And leather seats, leather floor mats. You can barely see that. Oh, never mind. Wrong thing. That was the parking brake. So I do have a hood, not a hood, a grill for it. It's a limited grill, so it says the Ram thingy up here. It came with the stock intake, and I had this one from another parts truck that we bought, and I just put it in there. It's an SMB. I cleaned it, and I added a catch can. You guys can barely see. There we go. I turned the flash on so you guys can see better. Upgraded radiator, just an eBay one. I needed one, so might as well. I'm actually pretty happy with the truck. It's not done yet, but it goes for it. It's basically be as reliable as possible. I'm not gonna get into what was done to it because I bought it as it is. Previous owner, I think he did a few things to it, but I don't know exactly what he did. But they did put a leveling kit and those weather guard things. I don't know what the fuck they are. So you got your blue diff right there. diesel filler neck right here. It does have a 50 something gallon tank. I think 52, 50, I don't know. Back there, that's the back of the bed. I kind of want to add a diesel tank back there because I will be taking this truck out of state for getting other things like this from auction. This one was from auction as well, and it is from Florida. That's where I live, and I bought it here from Florida. Basically, it probably hit like a pole right here, and it pushed everything back. I had to take out the differential, the front one, and I had to like fix it. It was really bad, to the point that I didn't think it was gonna be salvageable. Damn, that was hard. Anyways, let me start it up for you guys so you guys can hear what it sounds like. It's, you know, it Cummins, a diesel. It's reliable, but it's also a loud engine. So, all right, guys. So this is what the truck sounds like.